today I'm just going out for a random ride. It's the 3rd of January, I believe. So happy New Year to everyone. And yeah, I've just been working heaps and like editing and stuff, so I haven't been on the bike in quite a few days. So you know, I thought I would get out and film a video for you guys. So this is a cool short ride if you're in Auckland. There's a couple of little roads that probably a lot of people are going to know, but not everybody. Good mix of tight and more open corners. So yeah, I thought I would just do that and show you guys the route. There's a cool little hill climb and then some back twisty roads, and the best bit is, even on the tight ones, the speed limit is 80, so you can have some fun, but be safe. So we're starting this road from Bethells Beach. This is Bethells Road. This road is okay. It's quite good. It's quite windy and nice. In winter it's very slippery, and there is some like potholes and stuff like that, so be a little bit careful. People like cutting corners and shit all the time, but for the most part it's a good road. And yeah, so I'm not going to talk through this whole video. It'll be probably more riding than talking, but I think we'll just see what happens, and I'll update you guys if I need to say anything. The bike I'm on now, if you haven't been following this channel, is 2022 Tuono V4 Factory. I'll put a link up in the corner if you want to check out my walk around video of it. I think the only difference between now and that video is now I'm running Diablo Super courses, not the Michelin Power 5s that I was running before. Watch this little crest. You get some pretty serious air if you're going over there too quickly. But firstly, I'm going to pull over and just chuck my bike in track mode. Not because I'm on the track, but because I have it set up. Race mode, sorry. Here we go. Right. Let's carry on then. So I'm just going to go at like a medium pace today. It's very, very windy out. But yeah, just so you guys can see the ride. Enjoy coming along with me. I'm going to get back into making videos on my other channel pretty soon, my main channel. Watch out for that stuff if you've come from over there. So here we're going to go left, and this is a nice little hill climb here with like new seal on it. So this Bethells Road. These corners pretty well, but not like off by heart. I know there's a bit of a slip up here, so it's like one way, and there's a bit of a bump, quite a savage bump up here, so watch out for that. Can't remember where it is. But the speed limit here is unrestricted, which New Zealand means 100k an hour. So you can have some fun along here. Oh, here's the bump. There is houses along here, so you want to be a little bit careful. I mean, you want to be careful anyway, but bit of crap on the road. A lot of gravel driveways and stuff out here. But yeah, this is another bump. This is Bethells Road, and if you, at the end of this road, if you go left at Waitakere, that'll take you towards like Muriwai and Kumeu and stuff like that. And we're going to go right over the bridge and then a sharp left for a little bit of back street action. So windy, I'm getting blown around heaps. Cool. And it's 50k in here as it comes into Waitakere Township. So you want to slow down and respect the locals. It's school areas, and there's like a horse training thing. Primary school, so yeah, you want to be careful. So here's the intersection I was talking about. You go left towards Kumeu and stuff, and right is where we're going, takes you towards Swanson. We're not going to worry about that car because we're going another way probably. Bit of stuff on this bridge here, that gravel here. Oh, he is going that way. Oh no, he's not. Make your mind up, mate. So yeah, we're going left here, which is Township Road, and then on to McEntee Road, I think. And this is a nice one. It's 50 at the start, and then it opens up to 80 again. See how windy it is, eh? I hope you can hear me. I don't know where that left-hand road goes. So here we go, it opens up to 80 again. I'll update the road names as we carry on. But, sorry, I'm just trying to get my jacket from stop hitting on the helmet. I don't speak very good English when I'm riding, I've noticed. Been down this road a couple of times actually, but I found it a while ago and I thought it would make a cool video. It's cool if you want to like test out new, like scrub in some new tires, because it's not like a real high speed road or anything. It's nice, close, tight twisties, and the speed limit's 80, so you can get some lean on if you want to stick to the legal speed limits anyway. That's up to you. I always recommend riding to your own limits. That's why I don't generally like group rides, because you get a lot of mixed skill levels and people that maybe aren't as experienced trying to catch up to ones that are, and they're just asking for trouble. Bit of traffic today. Still school holidays and New Year's, everybody's on holiday, roaming around. Call that 85k an hour. But this jacket's annoying. And that's that road, and then there's this one which I can't remember the name of, but you will see it in a minute. This one has some nice more open flowy turns. This is one of the roads, if you take your license out at Westgate, they bring you out here. Oh, it's so windy. Here we're going to take another right down Birdwood Road because yeah, this is a nice little twisty kind of loop. Yeah, just a nice short road really. I don't know how long it is, probably like 15-20 minutes, but you can add it into a whole bunch of other rides. Like if you take the Bethells ride out, you can go all the way up to like Murwai and you know, up right at the top of that peninsula there, and you can take this detour and then like carry on through over to the shore. Took that one a bit messy. Tell I don't know the roads very well. It's bumpy there. Yeah, this one's not that great actually, it's quite bumpy. Still a bit of fun. Would be mean on a supermoto. And that's pretty much it. A little bit more stuff, but we're more towards the townships now and getting closer to the city. So yeah, nice little short ride there. I have to check on the GoPro how long it is, but there's probably not much point in talking about that because you guys already know. Yeah, it ends up out in Massey, West Auckland. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Quick little off-the-cuff video. Not that anything I do is planned, but yeah. I'll catch you guys in the next one.